Hey everyone, we're going to look at Procore's new data extracts tool inside of Procore Explore today. It's a simpler way to pull out PDFs from multiple tools, combine them and download them. You just run it in the background, it works. The current extracts tool actually takes up your computer processing. This is done on a remote server. So if you go into Procore Explore, you can check it out here. First, want to just show you what we got currently. On a project, you have nothing available to you, but you do have this Procore Extracts tool that you can download and get. Select the company, select the project, and then go select the tools that you want to download, and then you can just go ahead and select Extract. It's going to work for a little bit here and just pull the parts and pieces out and take a little time for it to do that, and then it puts it into a folder here for you, and that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel that. That can take 5 minutes. It can take several hours to do that using the old extracts tool. So we're going to hit cancel and just move on and show you the new one. So jumping into Procore Explorer, remember you can get to company tools, select admin, and then on the right hand side, Procore Explore, and then we're going to type in extract at the top. Select here and go ahead and join the program. When you join, this applies to the company level overall. So you can go ahead and join that. I think you might have to actually look at permissions. So let's just check out permissions real quick. So project level permissions. And then let's look at in project management. Edit that template. So Procore Extracts needs to be turned on. So just double check that. It can either be none or admin. All your admins have it, so you should be good to go overall. So now let's go ahead and jump into a project. I'll go ahead and refresh this screen. So project tools, data extracts under core tools. And then what we're going to do here at the top right is we're going to select create. Give it like a name. We'll call it closeout, documents. I like to include a table of contents, and then we can go down here and select all of the tools that applies. Let's just go ahead and select all. Don't have information in all of this information here, but you'd want to select which actually apply to your project. So we'll go ahead and select create. And then it comes in here and it can go ahead and you can start picking and choosing which documents to include. So no action plan. So there, no bids. Let's just look at drawings, for example. So we include current content, include attachments, include current. So you can actually walk through each one of these and see what to include. Don't have any submittals, but then just go ahead and select extract. So yeah, that's what I thought. Manage tools, which tools? Let's just go ahead and we're just going to do drawings because I know this project has that. So save that. That error looks like it told me that I'm trying to extract things that aren't included. So let's go ahead and hit extract. Here, select all. Extract. So it looks like it will take a little while. It's scheduled. Let's see if we refresh. So the closeout documents looks like they got downloaded here. So we got download, archive, copy, or delete. So all I have to do is hit download. It's going to go ahead and pull this out. Here's my overall table of contents. Open that up in Bluebeam. And then I can see inside here is each individual sheet looks like it has been uploaded separately here. So pretty good tool overall. Here's my table of contents. Then it has all the different things that have been downloaded. Yep, looks like I need to unzip it first. That's actually pretty nice. If I go here, opens everything up for me, which is nice. So I'd recommend it. Help build your closeout packages a little bit faster, a little bit better. Definitely better than Procore's current extracts tool. So use it instead of that. Maybe some feedback that I have is when I'm going through and selecting things, have it automatically checked so it doesn't take quite as long to go through there. But other than that, it's a much better improvement. You can start using your submittals to kind of collect all those closeout documentation. So that's the quick overview. Thanks everyone for watching.